Tita Church, happy Mother's Day po. Bye, love you.
Hi, Ma. So, happy Mother's Day. So, first of all, we would like to say thank you to all your sacrifices na ginawa sa amin. Simula, baby pa lang kami hanggang sa ngayon na nakapagtapos namin ng pag-aaral. So, sobrang thankful kami to all your efforts na ginawa sa amin. Starting, simula bata pa lang kami na pinanganak kami, and also kay Papa, tapos sabi tatlong magkakapatid, and dito sa bahay. So, we are very thankful. It's because ikaw yung naging mother namin, ikaw yung naging guardian namin, at the same time, ikaw yung tumutulong sa amin. Kasi sobrang laki ng effort at sacrifices na binigay mo para sa amin lahat. So, di po namin talaga makalimutan lahat ng sacrifices na nagawa mo. So, currently, may times na I'm still under pressure. It's because of the futures. Pero at least I know kung saan ako puput ng lakas ng loob for my future. So, syempre, sa'yo, sa family natin, kila ate, then also kila lola, it's because you are my strength. So, kayo yung nagbigay ng opportunity sa akin. Simula, bata pa lang ako until graduate na ako. So, I'm still here and also trying my best to become a future CPA para at least, diba, pag bumalik ka dito, pero na tayo, kaya na natin yung buhay dito sa Pinas, at the same time is magkakasama tayo. So thank you very much for all your efforts, for your love and sacrifices sa aming lahat. So we love you and I love you and we miss you. I hope sa bakasyon is makapag-enjoy ka, at the same time is ma-enjoy natin lahat ng magkakasama tayo together, ng buo tayo lahat. So thank you very much and I love you.
I love my mom because she's the best mom in the world, and I know she will take care of me forever. I will never forget about her loveness that have given to me. We always hang out when we felt bored and went shopping. I will always love her more than everything, and she is the most blessing and kind and beautiful person I ever have. And yeah, that's it. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I hope you're doing fine there. I may not express it enough, but I just want to say that thank you for being a good mom. Take care and I miss you. I love you. Happy Mother's Day again.
The mothers who turn up and keep praising God is a woman to be praised. Thank you so much, Tambourine team, for your wow dance. But you know that the mothers here in IFWS are not just dancers. They are also singers. So please welcome Rhea and team.
We often heard the phrase, mother knows best. But do mothers actually know? Has the personal the responsibility mother has today has never required more vigilance. More than at any time in the history of the world, we need mother who know. Children are born into a world where they wrestle against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against rulers of darkness in the world, against spiritual wickedness in the high places. However, mother need not fear. When mother know who they are, who God is, and have covenants with Him, they will have a great power